job today. Look at this. So this is a little investment property in Lilburn, Georgia. And they are doing work on it. As you can see, there's no doors on the cabinets. Here in the kitchen. I think the oven goes there. And the sink goes there. It's a washer and dryer area. This place is a mess. Aside from being in the middle of construction, look at this floor in here. This is the bathroom. It's come out here on this floor too. There was some kind of sewage problem, and that's what all this is. This is nasty. Look at that. The sink is nasty. Look at this nastiness. But I said I could do it. So they have this strange little bathroom here. So there's a sink, a tub, a toilet, and then there's a door here, and then there's going to be another sink here and another toilet there, and I don't know why there's a gas can in here. And then I guess this is the master bedroom. Got a couple closets, ceiling fans. Ceiling fans aren't that dirty, believe it or not, but there's the toilet and the sink for that other half. And then there's this little hallway here and this bedroom over here. So he wants me to clean this place up like I'm going to move into it. I don't know if you can see, but there's cobwebs pretty bad in the windows. Another window here and a little closet, and some water came in there too, it looks like. That's dirty. So I'm gonna do the best I can, try to do a little organizing and clean up some of the crud in here, and we'll see what happens from there. Okay, so I'm done here for today, and I've kind of organized some of this stuff here for them. So I still gotta mop the floor in here, but all this stuff that was around, I've kind of gotten organized. Well, I just put it away. This is my stuff I gotta take with me. But I wiped these cabinets out. So they look better. There's no dust in there. I took whatever cleaning supplies he had here, and I just kind of put them in the laundry area here so he can find that. And there's the stove and the sink for the kitchen. Then in this bedroom, which wasn't bad to start with, I brought all the wood in here and some aluminum and just kind of some extra stuff. Put that in there. And then remember this bathroom? Oh my, how much better. There's something there, but look at that tub. Everything looks so much better, and that floor over there, none of that black stuff anymore. And then in here, there's that saw. I couldn't move that saw, but there's some wood. I think that's baseboard over there. And I brought a couple tools in, and that's a sink and a toilet for this other half of the bathroom here. So this house is clean.